Hello guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin on a daily basis, and I'm also going to talk about Bitcoin on a 2-day basis. All right. So what we talked about last time was like we're likely to get a nice support from the daily 21 EMA right here, and we also had a nice support from the 6-hour 100 EMA. As we said, Bitcoin likely to get a nice support just about like 46 to 48 area. We did drop down below 45, but did not did not spend too much time below the 6-hour 6-hour 100 EMA. And if you take a look at the same structure, we talked about it previously. All right, the first drop from the 41,000 area, we did manage to get a nice support at the 30 just about 30k area at the 6-hour 100 EMA. So what we did was like we bought the dip right here exactly at the 6-hour 100 EMA, and we took it right back up to 0.786, right? So if you take a look at the same structure back in 20k, bulls managed to create a nice support at the 6-hour 100 EMA. As you can see right here, we dip all the way down to 16.1, 16.3. What we did was like in our premium, we did buy the dip and then basically took it right back up to 19.3. So what I'm saying right now is like we're just repeating the same exact setup, we're repeating the same exact scenario, and most likely bull's gonna find a way to not break strongly below the daily 21 EMA, and at the same time below the 6-hour 100 EMA. Okay, so right now, since we already got the support from the 6-hour 100 EMA, I think like bulls likely to push much higher. So but the challenge is like we're not getting any bullish divergence yet on the 6-hour time frame. So we're going to basically focus a little bit on the lower degree, such as the hourly and 45 minutes and all of that good stuff, right? But before we talk about the hourly and all of that good stuff, let's take a look at the 2-day time frame. All right, so if you take a look at the 2-day time frame, depending which exchange you're using, right, Bitcoin nearly retested the 2-day 21 EMA also, right? As we said previously, all right, as long as we stand above the yellow line, this yellow line, it is our 2-day 21 EMA, right? As long as we stand above the 21 EMA, the bullish uptrend, it is still in play. Okay, so that's what I'm following right now. In order to be bearish, we have to basically break below it, and we also need to see a bearish crossover on our MACD. So it is pretty clear, right? As long as we stand above the 21 EMA and MACD staying positive, we're gonna be it is likely to see another push to the upside. Okay, so that's all I wanted to talk about regarding the 2-day time frame. Now let's take a look at the hourly to see so we can check like if we can find any possible reversal. Okay, so on the hourly basis, it looks pretty nice. We did have a small divergence right here. Okay, a beautiful bullish reversal candle right here. So now the challenge is like to break above the 1-hour 100 EMA. So that's what I call the Zeus method. After a strong drop, okay, like that, okay, after a strong drop, right, like over 10%, your first challenge is like to break your 21 EMA. Okay, most of the time you're going to get rejected by your 21 EMA. Okay, and the second after the bullish divergence, you're going to be looking for first rejection. These are technical these are basically scalping skills. Okay, so your first rejection going to be your 21 EMA, right? You can take a nice scalp. You can see like price drop all the way down to the just about 46, 47. So you got a nice, let's take a look at right here, a nice 5 to 6% scalping. Okay, so beautiful setup. So it is called the Zeus method. Okay, so next setup you're going to be looking for, it is going to be nearly your 100 EMA. Okay, so that's going to be next rejection, as we already broke the 200 EMA on the hourly. So we could be looking for a potential rejection just about like, let's say 51 to 52. Okay, that is going to be a tough region, okay, to break over the next like a few hours and so on, right? So in order to basically confirm the rejection, okay, so we would need like a bullish crossover on our basically bullish crossover on our both of these basically EMAs. Okay, we're going to need a bullish crossover you know, on the you know, on the positive side. Okay, we already got a bullish crossover on our MACD, so we just need the 21 EMA to break above the 100 EMA in order to basically confirm the potential reversal back to 0.618 and so on, which is roughly right there. Okay, so let's take a look at it. Okay, 0.786 going to be just about 55. 0.618 going to be just about 53. So another retest of you know, the 21 EMA. If we do not break it, you know, we could potentially see the bulls pushing higher up to basically 55. Okay, and so on, right? But primary target going to be just about like 53. Okay, if we break the 1 hour 100 EMA. Okay, the trend, it is still bullish. So as long as we stand, once again guys, above the daily 21 EMA, and at the same time above the 2-day 21 EMA, and MACD staying positive, we're likely to see higher prices over the next like a few days and so on. All right guys, that's all I wanted to cover for today, right? Just wanted to give you guys a quick update regarding the current market structure. We already talked about the 50-day cycle and all of that good stuff. What we said was like, if we start the new candle, right, the new 50-day cycle, we're likely to see some red. Okay, we're likely to see some profit taken, and most bulls gonna be taking profits, and you know, we're gonna see like a couple of days of redness, and then after that we could be going much higher. I'm paying attention to the 50-day cycle. I think like we're in the bull market. Not I think, but I'm confirming like we're in the bull market. So you know, I don't see any sign of reversal on the macro scale. So I'm just gonna stay bull. Okay, and then you know, I'm just gonna stay bullish, and you know, we're gonna see if bear is gonna be able to basically drop the price below 30K, and then we're gonna take a look at the bearish scenario. All right guys, that's all I wanted to cover for today. Thanks a lot for watching.